Deleting your Todoist account is a permanent action that removes all your tasks, projects, and data associated with the account. If you are sure about deleting your Todoist account, here's how you can do it. Log into your Todoist account. Open Todoist on the web or mobile app and log in with your credentials. Access Settings. On the web, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. On mobile, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, scroll down and choose Settings. Go to the Account tab. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Account tab. Scroll down to the Delete Account section. On the web, scroll to the bottom of the Account Settings page. On mobile, you need to tap Account and then scroll down to find the Delete option. Delete Account. Click on Delete Account. You will be asked to confirm your decision and to provide a reason for deleting your account. Confirm the deletion and your Todoist account will be permanently deleted. Final confirmation. You will receive a confirmation email to ensure the deletion process is completed.